Last June 2, we celebrated National Cheese Day at nag-almusalo-salo tayo together sa Trinoma. Marami sa inyo na in love sa niluto kong breakfast item. That's why today, let's recreate this IG-worthy breakfast item, ham and cheese roll-ups na hindi tinipid sa pagmamahal because, of course, I'm using my favorite milky and creamy Eden cheese. Okay, and magugulat ka kung ganong kadaling gawin ito. So first, kailangan mo ng tasty bread or American bread. You just want to remove the crust para wala na yung matigas na part. And then I have here just ham, sliced ham, pimientos that will give your ham and cheese roll up that kick. Yung may kakaibang flavor ka malalasahan to balance it. And of course, Eden cheese slices, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Ganito lang kasimple. So you get your bread slice, maglagay ka ng isang pirasong ham dyan. Okay? Pwede mo din itupi yan para talagang saktong-sakto. And then 1 piece of your Eden slices. Maglagay ka din ng isang pirasong pimiento. You just roll it. O diba? Talagang literally ham and cheese roll up. Pagka-roll mong ganyan, ayan, oh, how nice it is. You get pair of toothpicks just to seal. And then, gagawa pa ako ng isa bago ko siya ilagay sa itlog at sa breadcrumbs. Okay, and then this time, you just want to dip it into your beaten eggs. Shake, shake, and then into your breadcrumbs. Shake, shake, into your breadcrumbs. O, diba? Super daling gawin. You roll mo lang. And sa totoo lang ha, if for example, which is for sure, matatay pa ng mga family members mo to, or pwede mo ding ipang negosyo, pwede mo nang i-freezer to, yung nalagyan mo na ng breading, store it in your freezer. And then, whenever you're ready or whenever nagka-crave ang pamilya mo niyan, iprito mo na lang or pwede mo nga i-air fryer. Diba? Noon ngang ginagawa namin to doon sa almusalo-salo event nung National Cheese Day. O diba? Pang breakfast. Pero na-realize namin na perfect din itong pang merienda, pang cocktails. Ay, social, diba? Pang cocktails, hihiwain mo lang sa gitna yan. Pang midnight snack at syempre pang benta. Okay, now we're ready to fry it. Ayan, pag nag-light golden brown na, ihango mo na. And before you fry another batch, linisin mo muna yung mantika mo para hindi nako-contaminate yung next batch. Maganda pa din ang prito, di ba? Kahit yung pinakahuling customer mo or pinakahuling bisita mo yung kakain, bongga pa din. Ayan na, bongga. Tikman na natin. Teka, ang gusto ko yung medyo tostado. Ito. Siyempre, don't forget, kailangan, mainit-init tanggalin mo yung toothpick. Pwede mong i-recycle yan kung gagawa ka pa ng next batch. Wala ako ng tissue. Tikman natin. Masarap to, medyo mainit talaga. Pero actually, nung tinetest ko yung recipe kahit malamig, masarap pa din. Pakagat niya. Look at the cheese inside. The layering. Yung bread, yung ham, yung cheese, at yung pimiento. O, di ba? Present na present. Isa pa. Ang sarap. Lasang-lasa mo talagang hindi tinipid sa pagmamahal. Ay napaka-milky and creamy. And kitang-kita mo yung textures niya. Super perfect. At syempre, talaga namang bukod sa masarap, Eden is packed with milk vitamins A, B2, and calcium. Kaya perfect na perfect tong pang-almusal, pang-merienda, pang-midnight snack for your family and friends. At syempre, like I told you, perfect din itong pang-negosyo. Promise. So what are you waiting for? I'm sure naiinggit ka na dito sa hawak ko dahil napakasarap naman talaga. Gumawa ka na and I'm going to see you all soonest.